Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in my lecture series today, we're going to see about the relational algebra operation. Before watching this video, kindly watch my previous video. In that I have explained a few operations of a relational algebra, and also I have given the definitions, what type of terminologies are used and all I have explained. Please watch that one. So in this thing, we're going to see the Cartesian product. So majorly in a real world application, while joining the two table, while joining the two relation, because in real world we couldn't able to store entire data in a single table. So we are vertically partitioning our table. Is it right? So in this thing, if we want to join, in some cases, they may have the combining of two table. For example, in a first table, I need the first two attributes. In my last table, I need the last two attributes. Well, coming in these two things, I can go for a Cartesian product. It is denoted by the symbol X. So this is a symbol X. It can be used. For example, I'm having the instructor and teachers. So definitely as an instructor table, it contains the all the teachers detail. In teachers, in that particular semester, whom and all taking the courses, that is details is available in the teachers. I'm going to combine these two things. Both will have a same primary key. That is a ID can be used as an instructor. It is a primary key. By teachers, it is a foreign key. While combining these two things, we are going for a Cartesian product. Just like this, instructor symbol, Cartesian product symbol, teachers. This is the representation of joining the two part. And also, for example, if I write like this, means this is my instructor table, this is my teacher's table. So these two will be combined together. So your final output will be like this only. The next thing is, it is also called as one of the join operation. So because join is allowed to combine the two select operation or a two table. So by using a Cartesian product operation, while joining these two things in a single operation. So that we will see it over here. For example, if I want to matches in that particular semester, which faculties and are having taking classes, that I have to take it out. For that, I have to use this particular symbol. This particular symbol can be used for select. So in how I can select instructor.id equal to teachers.id in that particular semester or in that particular year, whom and all taking the class. So that I have to take it from two table, instructor and teachers. Here I have to use a Cartesian product. This is the how, with the help of condition, we are joining the two tables. The next thing is the union operator. Union is nothing but the removing the duplicate ones. While union is also while joining the two relation. But by using this one, we can able to remove the duplicates. This is a notation can be used over here. R union S. Here, when it can be valid means R and S must have a same arbitrary. That is, same number of an attribute is present in two relations. In this case, union operation can be applicable, and also attribute domain must be a compatible. Example, second column is or deals with the same data type as does in the second column of S. So both the thing will have a same attribute. In that cases, we can use this particular operation. So union, for example, I'm going to consider the two table R1 and R2. R1 can contain register number, branch and section. R2 can contain a register number, branch and section. Here I have to apply the union. Union means it display the entire register number and also it will remove the duplicates. For example, I'm going to select. I'm going to project register number of R1. R1 is my relation. In that, I have to project the register number. Here, the table 2, their register number. If I give like this, what are the common element present in both the table? That will be displayed like this. Here, I have to project only the register number. So, common component can be present in both the table. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a common element present in both the table. So sorry, all the element present in the both the tables. Here 1, 2, 3 is a repeater, so it can be eliminated by using a union operator. So union is nothing but we're going to join two table as well as we are removing the duplicates. So this is a difference between the Cartesian product and also join operation, union operator. Both will join the two table, but by using a Cartesian product, your duplicate value will not be removed. By using a union, it can be removed the duplicates. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video, I'm going to explain about the upcoming remaining relational algebra operators.